As a brain doctor who has spent decades studying memory loss and age-related cognitive decline, I am constantly searching for patterns that link everyday behaviors to long-term brain health. What continues to shock me is how often the most destructive habits are the ones that seem completely harmless. One of the most damaging behaviors I have seen in seniors is something many people do every night without even thinking about it. They consider it part of their routine. They find it relaxing or comforting. And yet this one small action can lead to a gradual breakdown in memory attention and mental clarity over time. What is this habit? It is using screens right before bed, whether it is watching television, scrolling through a phone, or reading from a tablet. The use of digital screens in the final hour before sleep has been directly linked to impaired memory formation, reduced deep sleep, and increased risk of long-term cognitive decline. This is not speculation. The evidence from neuroscience is strong and growing. When you expose your brain to artificial blue light from screens at night, it disrupts your melatonin production. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep. When this signal is blocked, your sleep becomes shallow, fragmented, and delayed. But the consequences go far beyond poor sleep. Sleep is when your brain clears out toxins, repairs neural pathways, and consolidates memory. If that process is interrupted night after night, your brain never fully recovers. Over time, this can mimic early dementia with symptoms like forgetfulness, trouble concentrating, mood changes, and mental fatigue. The worst part is that many seniors use their screens at night as a way to unwind, not realizing they are sabotaging their own brain repair system. It is like trying to clean your house while someone keeps opening all the doors and windows. The cleaning process never finishes, and the damage accumulates silently. In the next section, I will explain the exact brain mechanisms affected by nighttime screen exposure, the signs that your sleep and memory are already being harmed, and the simple steps you can take to reverse this damage starting tonight. When you use digital screens before bed, the brain is exposed to artificial blue light, which has a direct impact on the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This is the area in your brain that controls your internal body clock and regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Normally, as night approaches and natural light fades, your brain begins producing melatonin, which signals your body to slow down and prepare for deep, restful sleep. But when the eyes receive blue light from a phone, tablet, or a TV, the brain interprets this as daylight and suppresses melatonin release. This delay in melatonin can shift your sleep cycle by hours, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the quality of the sleep you do get, but the damage goes further. Nighttime screen exposure also interferes with the function of the glymphatic system, which is your brain's waste clearance system. This system is most active during deep sleep, and it plays a critical role in removing beta amyloid and tau proteins, which are the same substances linked to Alzheimer's disease. When screen use reduces the amount of deep sleep, the glymphatic system cannot function effectively, allowing toxins to build up over time. This is why many seniors who use screens late at night start to experience symptoms like morning fog, poor focus, low energy, and memory slips. They are not just tired, they are physiologically inflamed, and their brains are struggling to recover, the hippocampus. The memory center of the brain is especially vulnerable to sleep disruption. Studies have shown that even one night of poor sleep can reduce activity in the hippocampus and increase forgetfulness. For seniors who already have age-related brain changes, this nightly habit accelerates the loss of neurons and weakens memory circuits. What is even more concerning is that this damage accumulates slowly and silently. Most people will not notice anything wrong for months or even years. Then one day they realize they are forgetting appointments, struggling to find words, or losing their sense of direction. All of this can trace back to a simple bedtime routine that seemed harmless, but interfered with the brain's most essential maintenance process. In the next section, I will show you exactly how to reset your brain's nighttime repair system, what to do instead of screen time before bed, and the best natural techniques to support memory and focus after age 60. Now that we understand how nighttime screen exposure disrupts brain repair, let us talk about how to reverse the damage and reset your brain's natural rhythm. The first step is to create a screen-free zone at least 1 hour before bed. That means turning off all electronic devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and televisions. The goal is to remove all artificial light signals that confuse your brain and keep it in alert mode. Instead, switch to low, warm lighting from lamps or candles and begin a calming pre-sleep routine. The second step is to replace screen time with activities that support melatonin, production, and mental relaxation. These include reading a physical book, listening to soft instrumental music, doing light stretches, or practicing breathing exercises. If you enjoy storytelling, try listening to audiobooks or guided meditations with your eyes closed. This allows your brain to settle down while avoiding blue light exposure. The third step is to set a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm and improves the quality of your sleep within a few days. Avoid napping late in the afternoon as it can make it harder to fall asleep at night. The fourth step is to reduce caffeine intake after 2 p.m. Caffeine stays in the system for many hours and can block the deep sleep stages needed for memory consolidation. If you need a warm beverage at night, choose herbal teas like chamomile or lemon balm that calm the nervous system. The fifth step is to optimize your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, remove blinking electronics, and keep your phone outside the bedroom if possible. A cool room temperature between 60 to 67 degrees. Fahrenheit is ideal for deep sleep. Consider using a white noise machine or earplugs if you live in a noisy area. The sixth step is to train your brain for sleep by associating your bed only with rest. Avoid doing work, watching TV, or eating in bed. The more your brain connects the bed with sleep, only the faster you will fall asleep and the deeper you will stay asleep. Over time, these changes begin to restore your melatonin levels, reactivate the brain's glymphatic system, and repair damaged memory circuits. Most people notice better mental clarity, improved mood, and reduced forgetfulness within 2 to 4 weeks. In the next section, I will share the most powerful sleep-enhancing nutrients, brain-supporting habits, and evening rituals that help seniors fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up with better memory and focus. To strengthen your sleep and support brain regeneration, it helps to include natural nutrients and habits that work in harmony with your biology. Let us start with key nutrients. The first is magnesium, especially in the form of magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate. These forms are well absorbed and help calm the nervous system, relax muscles, and promote deep sleep. Magnesium also supports memory consolidation and reduces nighttime awakenings. The second is L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea that promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. When taken in the evening, L-theanine can reduce mental chatter, lower cortisol, and improve sleep quality. It also supports alpha brainwave activity linked to calm focus and creativity. The third is glycine, a simple amino acid that helps lower body temperature and prepare the brain for rest. It is particularly helpful for seniors who have trouble falling asleep or wake up in the middle of the night. Glycine also supports cognitive function and has been shown to improve sleep satisfaction when taken before bed. You can find glycine in supplement form or in collagen-rich foods like bone broth. The fourth is melatonin, but with caution, melatonin is a powerful sleep hormone, but it should be used in low doses, 0.3 to 1 milligram, to mimic natural levels. High doses can disrupt your body's own production over time and cause grogginess the next day. Always consult your doctor before starting melatonin, especially if you take medications or have cognitive issues. Beyond nutrients, your evening environment and rituals play a major role in sleep quality. Avoid bright overhead lights at least an hour before bed and choose warm amber or red tone lights instead. Take a warm shower or bath 60 to 90 minutes before bed, which helps lower core body temperature and signal your brain that sleep is near. Engage in a wind-down activity like journaling, listening to soft music, or practicing gratitude meditation. These rituals help shift your nervous system from stress mode to rest mode and prepare your mind for sleep. One very effective technique is box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold again for 4 seconds. Repeat this for 5 minutes to calm your heart rate and lower anxiety. For seniors who suffer from racing thoughts or bedtime worry, this technique can make a noticeable difference in just a few nights. Finally, consider using aromatherapy with calming essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood. These scents activate the olfactory system, which is directly linked to the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain. They help reduce nervous system arousal and promote a more peaceful transition into sleep. In the next and final sections, I will bring all these lessons together in a simple night routine checklist that you can follow step by step to protect your memory, improve sleep, and support your brain health well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. To help you protect your memory and strengthen your brain while you sleep, here is your nighttime brain health routine. This checklist is designed to be easy to follow, calming, and effective, especially for adults over 60 who want to preserve their focus, alertness, and long-term cognitive strength. Step 1, turn off all screens 1 hour before bed. This includes phones, tablets, laptops, and televisions. Avoid all bright blue light that can suppress melatonin and disturb your sleep cycle. Step 2, dim your lights and switch to warm or amber lighting. Use table lamps, Himalayan salt lamps, or candlelight to help signal your brain that it is time to wind down. Step 3, do a relaxing screen-free activity such as reading a printed book, listening to soft music, writing in a journal, or doing gentle stretching. These help slow your heart rate and calm your nervous system. Step 4, take a warm shower or bath, 60 to 90 minutes before bed to lower core body temperature and promote deeper sleep. Step 5, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and choose calming herbal teas in the evening, such as chamomile lemon balm or passion flower, to reduce mental tension. Step 6, create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Remove electronic distractions. Use blackout curtains and set the room temperature between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7, practice a breathing ritual like box breathing or simple deep breathing to release anxiety and prepare the body for rest. Step 8, choose sleep-supportive nutrients if needed, such as magnesium, glycinate, L-theanine glycine, or low-dose melatonin, but always talk to your doctor first before starting anything new. Step 9, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. A regular sleep schedule helps your brain know when to repair itself and keeps memory function strong. Step 10, keep electronics outside your bedroom. Let your brain associate the bedroom only with sleep and relaxation, not stimulation or stress. These 10 steps work together to rebuild your circadian rhythm, support melatonin, and activate the brain's overnight detox process. If you follow this routine consistently for 3 to 4 weeks, you will begin to notice clearer thinking, better memory, and a calmer mood. Do not underestimate the power of small changes repeated daily. Your brain responds to patterns and rewards your consistency. If you have a loved one over 60 who is struggling with forgetfulness or poor sleep, please share this video with them. And if this content helped you, subscribe for more science-based health advice focused on protecting your mind, your memory, and your independence for years to come. Thank you for watching, and always remember, healthy sleep is the foundation of a sharp, strong brain.